I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, Jessica here. I hope you are all doing well. Did you know Andalusia is the second autonomous community in Spain and the most populous after Madrid? Now, you've got a chance to explore the breathtaking El Barros beach in virtually with me. This is going to be an exciting journey, and I'm sure you won't be able to stop yourself from clicking the like button and dropping a comment below. At the end of this Andalusi walking tour, you will get to know why locals and tourists love spending their time here by the beach. The journey begins at the seashore where the view of the gentle waves along with the golden sand speaks volumes. The aroma of fresh sea air is just too good. This beach is known for its good surf conditions and is home to small flocks of gulls. Taking the right foot forward, my stroll continues towards the wooden stairs that are leading towards the meadows somewhere up the hill. My senses get amused by the viewing of the lush greenery, olive groves along with fields covered with a variety of flowers as far as the eyes can reach. Every step brings a new discovery and sensation. Not to forget the fragrance here is just heavenly. The beauty of nature here is overwhelming, and I'm sure no amount of words can ever justify it. Now heading down towards the mountain way, I'm marveling at the view of the sundown. Everywhere I go, the color of the sky is just mesmerizing. Finally, the journey is ending back at the beach, but certainly not the beauty of it. Taking a deep breath, my heart was bursting with an ineffable pleasure that this charming place has offered. I would love to hear your feedback about the journey. The beauty of this place is something which can't be ignored and described in words. Do share your experiences with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such virtual walkthroughs. Peace out.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!